Using Crunchyroll gift cards is a straightforward process that allows you to enjoy anime and other content on the platform. Follow these steps to redeem your gift card. Step 1. Visit the Crunchyroll website. Go to the official Crunchyroll website using your preferred web browser. Make sure you are logged into your account or create a new account if you don't have one. Step 2. Access the account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Select Redeem Code. In the account settings menu, look for an option labeled Redeem Code or Gift Card. Click on this option to proceed to the redemption page. Step 4. Enter the gift card code. Carefully enter the code found on your Crunchyroll gift card in the designated field. Make sure there are no typos or extra spaces, as this could prevent successful redemption. Step 5. Confirm and redeem. After entering the code, click the Redeem button. If the code is valid, you will see a confirmation message and the balance will be added to your account. Now you can enjoy your Crunchyroll subscription or purchase content with your gift card balance. Happy watching!